doing is passing 24-hour extensions to keep the government open. We're going back to business, you may not realize that we've been on the brink for a few days here. And again, second half of the game, but again, watch for this legislative text to be released for it to hit the House Rules Committee. And once that happens, you know, okay, this is really a barrel down to the traffic. And probably coming out of the back late tonight for worst-case scenario tomorrow. But we'll watch for that text of the bill. As soon as we get it, we'll be reporting on it.
All right, we'll hear your through the day. Check in again for another live update tomorrow morning out of Jacksonville. This morning, news from Fox's Rachel Sutherland at the White House signaling President Trump's sign of coronavirus report passed by Congress. 7:42, we update weather and traffic every 6 minutes. CBS 47, Fox 30, Action News Jam's chief meteorologist Mike Byrne. Breezy and becoming mostly sunny today. The afternoon high in the mid-60s and a 9 in the WOKV weather meter. Chilly tonight with clear skies. We drop to the lower 40s, but a mild day tomorrow will be sunny. Your Tuesday afternoon high 68. Even warmer Wednesday, partly sunny up to 71. From the Birchland Weather Center, Action News Jam's chief meteorologist Mike Burnish for 104.5 WOKV. As always, it's looking right now. It should be pretty nice in real time as we see the clearing line just off to our north and west. And if you missed the announcement, the 76th Texas Leader Gator Bowl set to be played January 2nd at the Bankhead Bowl will feature Kentucky and NC State. It's 56 now. Jacksonville severe weather station.
Now, safety and security first alert traffic.
Westside drivers on I-10 westbound. You saw that crash at Roosevelt. It's taking out the two right lanes. That's heavy back up around a half mile right now. Just marching left early. It's adding 5 minutes to your drive. It's 10 minutes to get from I-95 over to the Beltway.
Drivers making their way into downtown from the west side of the I-10 eastbound. That's still a delay-free drive. You're moving along nicely. Give yourself just 5 minutes to get from the Beltway over to the 95 rails.
And now it's heading aisle with Jacksonville. Just bringing traffic out. Brian Riley.
Now, the full 5-day first quarter forecast and updated local timing of a Christmas Eve storm system out. It's going to feel Christmas Day. President-elect and other leaders in the nation to receive coronavirus vaccines now. WOKV News Time, 7:43.
There's a little blue pill right now. How an expert local said, guys, if you're suffering, we can fix it. Even if you have tried Viagra or drugs and they've failed you, we know. Studies have shown that we offer the most effective non-surgical treatments for you. Even if you have other medical conditions, they're generally no problem. We know that here you can try your next weekend as well. Well, what you want to hear is right. We at MyMaxClinic.com have helped thousands of them just like you. Thousands more nationally. We can make one simple guarantee that we can see our licensed medical